Today, we have some exciting news to discuss that could have a significant impact on Rivian's stock price. In this video, we'll delve into the latest electric vehicle market trends and how they might influence Rivian's growth. So, let's dive in and see what's driving the electrifying momentum for EVs worldwide. On July 28, 2023, Rivian's stock opened at $26.66, which was slightly higher than the previous day's closing price of $26.05. Throughout the trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations, reaching a daily high of $27.47 and a low of $26.33. The closing price was $26.94, representing a 3.42% increase compared to the previous day's close. Now, let's take a closer look at how the levels of support and resistance played a role in the stock's movement. Yesterday's resistance levels were at $27.44, $28.84, and $29.61, while the support levels were at $25.27, $24.50, and $23.10. During the trading session, the stock price approached the first resistance level of $27.44 but fell short of breaking through. This level seemed to act as a significant barrier, leading to a pullback in the stock's price. However, it managed to stay above the support levels of $25.27 and $24.50, which acted as a floor for the stock's decline. It's worth noting that the daily volume of 48,754,275 shares, traded on this day, was slightly lower than the average volume of 73,588,820 shares. This could indicate a less active trading session or some hesitation among investors. The range of 4.28% between the high and low price is within a reasonable range, suggesting that the stock experienced moderate volatility throughout the day. Overall, the price action on July 28, 2023 showed resistance at the $27.44 level, indicating that buyers faced challenges in pushing the stock price higher. The support levels at $25.27 and $24.50 held well, preventing the stock from experiencing a significant decline. As we continue to monitor Rivian's performance, it's crucial to keep an eye on how the stock interacts with these key levels and how the trading volume responds in the upcoming sessions. According to a recent article, the demand for electric cars is booming, with global sales expected to leap by 35% this year after a record-breaking 2022. The International Energy Agency's Global Electric Vehicle Outlook reveals that over 10 million electric cars were sold worldwide last year, and that number is projected to grow to a staggering 14 million this year. This significant surge in electric car sales means that their share of the overall car market is set to rise to nearly 1/5, leading to a major transformation in the auto industry. As electric vehicles become more mainstream, the implications for the energy sector, especially oil, are becoming evident. IEA Executive Director Fatih Birol states that electric vehicles are one of the driving forces behind the new global energy economy. In fact, he predicts that by 2030, electric vehicles will reduce the demand for at least 5 million barrels of oil per day, fundamentally changing the status quo that the internal combustion engine has enjoyed for over a century. The majority of electric car sales are currently concentrated in China, Europe, and the United States, with China leading the pack. However, ambitious policy programs in major economies, such as the Fit for 55 package in the European Union and the Inflation Reduction Act in the United States, are expected to further increase market share for electric vehicles in the years to come. The encouraging trends are also boosting battery production and supply chains, with the IEA's report showing that battery manufacturing projects are more than enough to meet the demand for electric vehicles up to 2030. China currently dominates the battery and component trade, with a share of over 35% in global electric car exports. Additionally, other economies are stepping up their efforts to bolster domestic industries in the electric vehicle market. The EU's Net Zero Industry Act aims to meet nearly 90% of annual battery demand with domestic manufacturers, and the US Inflation Reduction Act focuses on strengthening domestic supply chains for EVs and batteries. While electric car sales are concentrated in a few key markets, there are promising signs of growth in other regions like India, Indonesia, and Thailand. These emerging and developing economies are witnessing a surge in electric mobility, particularly with 2- or 3-wheel vehicles becoming increasingly popular due to their affordability and sustainability. With electric vehicles becoming a driving force in the global energy economy, it's clear that this industry's growth will have a significant impact on Rivian's stock and the entire electric vehicle sector. As investors, it's essential to stay tuned to how these developments unfold and their potential implications for Rivian's future performance. Alright, let's now focus on the upcoming resistance and support levels for Rivian stock on July 31, 2023, and analyze how the stock price might react to approaching and breaking through these levels. The upcoming resistance levels to keep an eye on are at $27.50, $28.05, and $28.64. These resistance levels indicate price points where the stock has historically faced selling pressure, potentially causing the price to stall or reverse its upward trend temporarily. On the other hand, we also have upcoming support levels at $26.36, $25.77, and $25.22. These support levels represent price points where the stock has historically found buyers, leading to a potential bounce or reversal of a downtrend. If the stock price approaches and breaks through the first resistance level at $27.50, it may indicate a bullish signal to investors. Breaking through resistance levels often attracts more buyers, propelling the stock price higher. In such a scenario, the stock could potentially shoot up to the next resistance level at $28.05. On the contrary, if the stock faces selling pressure near the resistance levels and fails to break through, it could result in a short-term pullback or consolidation. In this case, investors may closely watch the upcoming support levels. If the stock holds above the support level at $26.36, it could indicate strength and potential for a rebound. It's essential to consider other market factors, news developments, and overall market sentiment in conjunction with the technical analysis to get a comprehensive understanding of the stock's potential movements. As traders and investors, it's crucial to stay vigilant and adjust our strategies accordingly based on how the stock price interacts with these upcoming resistance and support levels. Keep a close eye on the price action and market dynamics to make informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today on this thrilling journey through the world of Rivian and electric vehicles. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date with all the latest news and analysis about Rivian, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. As always, remember to do your own research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore the exciting developments in the world of electric mobility. Until then, happy investing and have a fantastic day.